Take a moment to check out the 2015 Mazda 3. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a 3 that's poised to put the fun back into your daily drive. From its refined upscale cabin to its responsive acceleration to its captivating contours to its stable, well-balanced feel, this compact is all about pleasure and excitement. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Indulge in pure driving pleasure. Get behind the wheel of this stylish 3. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.